What is going on, guys? Spontaneous weekend trip to Charlotte. Say what's up, Shrikar.
What up?
First time in the vlog, let's get it. We're about to go to the fanciest mall I've probably ever been into in my life. Check this out. Alright, so we left the mall, we went to H&M, did a little shopping by the Apple store, and now we're trying out this brewery called Noda. Does that stand for anything?
It's like North something. It stands for the area. I don't remember exactly.
Yo, we found these bird scooters. What do you do?
Alright, so you hit ride, and you just scan the barcode.
Dope.
Unlock, and I'll make a noise. We gotta fuck these up.
Dude, this is about to be sick. I'm so excited for this. Alright, we're about to ride these things. I'm gonna switch over to GoPro. Let's go. Alright, let's do it. You ready, Shrikar?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's get it. These things are electric, so this is sick. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We're just gonna hold it in the brake hand, so I'm only gassing right now. No brakes allowed.
Sit it, boy.
I gotta do it for the vlog. Guys, if I eat it, it's for the vlog. Oh my God, it's going so fast. Tell them to go right before I just go out in the middle of the road. Yo, let's do it. Yo, look at these buildings. Move, bitch. I need about 2 more hands. Yeah. Yo, we're out here. Yo. You wanna hold it? You don't wanna vlog a little bit, bro? Alright, guys, Shrikar's taking over the vlog. Let's get it. If you fall, it's going. Millions of people are gonna see it. Millions?
Alright, we're gonna cross here.
I feel like Tony Hawk. Yo, I'm about to bust out the head mount.
Alright, get it. Here, let's cross the street first and we'll get it.
Yo, if these aren't gonna pick up any chicks, I don't know what will, honestly. Except for my hair. It.
Alright.
Yay! Man, this is sweet. Let's go. Can you jump these things?
There's literally people getting married right now. Oh, you.
Oh, hold up. Yeah.
Yo, let me wear it.
Yeah, wear it on your head. I'm gonna send it. Oh, yeah.
Yo, get it. Do the bunny hop again.
Woo. Wait, let me see. Oh, put it down a little bit.
Yeah, I hope I got some good footage though.
Alright, that should be perfect.
Alright.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Some side shots? Sure. We're gonna hire you, Shrikar.
Oh, we should go to this bar, Graham Street Pub.
Can we bring our scooters in the bar? This is legit. I want one of these things for campus, though.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Can you imagine? These would f***ing slap on Virginia Tech campus. My hair look okay?
Does my hair look okay? Yo, my man Shrikar with the GoPro. We're out here with the scooters, whipping it, man. This is sweet. All right, back to the GoPro. Off-road, eh?
My thing is dying. It's dead. Mine's dead. Mine's like out of juice.
You play chicken?
Oh, oh, oh. Send it. Yo, we should be in a bird commercial.
On my way to fuck you.
Go left, go left, go left. This is the Mint Museum. There's a restaurant right up here. So let's ride through the Duke Energy Center. Let's go. It's gonna be dope. That's probably expensive too.
How much is it?
It's $1 and then 15 cents a minute.
Oh, that's fine. Just press lock.
Oh, $4, yeah.
And ride.
And ride.
Yo, we just finished up on the scooters. That was absolute. Okay, this is gonna kind of send it right here. Yep. We just finished up on the scooters. That was insane.
Because any one of his, look at his Instagram post. It'll be like,
Just a little pre-game lower back foam rolling, eh? Oh, this is the aftermath of heavy deadlifts yesterday.
Yo, Carter, what are you doing?
Dying, bro.
The pregame? The pregame, yo?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, this is pre-game, bro.
Gotta get them.
Gotta get them stuck here. Them angles. Guys, check this out. Views, baby, views. Yo, we got the food truck. What did we get? What'd you get?
Falafel pita.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse the f out of me and my vlog, sir.
We got some food truck food, and we're about to go back to the house and grub and go to sleep. Let's get it. All right, guys. Sunday morning, we are headed out.
All right.
Yo, shout out to my boy Emil.
Man. Take care.
Later, bro. Guys, we just got brunch at this cool little spot called Cafe 100. Now we're headed back, 3 hours. I'm about to freaking take a nap, boy. How you feel, Strigar?
You take a nap, I take a nap, bro.
We'll die together.
My hair looks bad.
All right, guys, we just made it back into Blacksburg, so that is going to conclude an amazing weekend and this vlog. I think it's very streetcar.
Can I do the thing?
Oh yeah, you can do the thing. All right, stay tuned for the next vlog. We got some stuff coming for you, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. God, I'm gonna break it.
I think you're coming in so fast.